I want to show you something special on this keyboard. PSR 600 XXSX 600 on how I do my splitting. How I do my splitting. You can hear the sound. Hear the lead sound. So like you can watch on the screen, we have what we call on the right tune. I'm using right one, like my right one. I'm using jazz guitar arm. So and my right two, I'm using 7X solid guitar. While on my left hand, I'm using fat low bass. Now if you can watch now, you can see the light. Now. So this shows that this is right two and this is right one and this is the left. So you can watch now, it's on function like the left now. You can watch on my bass. So that is the fat low bass. So that is my bass. So now you come to the right two. Like the right two now, you can watch on the right one. So right one now, let me remove the right two. This is off, so you can see how the sound. So that is jazz guitar. That is jazz guitar arm. So if I dual it now with the right two, I on it, you see how sound is. Now let me remove the right one. You see how the right two sound is, that which is the solid guitar. So it's very soft, So I add it now, the goat tune now, see the way it sounds. My hand. I want to just play. Let me just play with the goat. Thank you. This is what I have for you guys today. Please don't fail to share this video, like, and drop your comments. If you like the bass line, if you want to teach the bass line, just drop your comment below on the comment section. And also the lead line. If you need the lead line, just drop your comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching Brighter Praise Keys TV. I love you all. Stay tuned to get the next video.
So ikiba tempo Ambonga mara miena mora Ami mederi more kiba tempo Ambonga mara miena mora